So, what do you think you'll do? How are you going to spend your life?
I'm not sure.
The next station is Macau.
But I do know. I'm gonna live every minute of it.
Tara, biyahe tayo!
Good morning. I'm here at Clark International Airport. So I'm just waiting for my friend because we'll be going to Hong Kong. I'm so kilig. Eto na siya. Siya po yung sinasabi ko kanina, inaantay ko. Hi, Mom! Iba siya. Hinahanap ko yung pang ano, yung madami. Ang ganda niya.
Play.
At nakipaglaro siya sa bat. Ikot mo! Hindi kasi iikot siya talaga. Oh. Hi everyone, this is Choco Brown and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm with Sam. Magta-travel po kami dyan lang. We are now waiting for boarding. So samahan niyo po kami during this video. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Sana walang multo today. Tara, biyahe tayo! Welcome to Hong Kong. Hello. Welcome. Oh, nasa ibang bansa na ako ulit. Oh, train is approaching. Para immigration. Grabe, oh. Happy anniversary! Ganda! Bus. So, ito na. Babas na kami. Ito ang buhay ng isang OFW. Super. Bali, mag-check-in muna kami sa aming hotel. Shucks, ang ito. Pinay? Pinay ka?
From Mongkok to Central.
Eh, sorry! We're here! We made it! We made it to the ferry hall.
And we got a
Free ticket! aming pagkakamay.
Super pagod.
It's our first time to ride.
You?
First time ko to. Ayoko ng ganito. So this will be a 1-hour ride going to Macau. So we welcome you to Macau. Kaya naman tara. Diyan tayo. We're here. Welcome to Macau! Here are the free bus. Ay, sakto. May isla siya. Here is the free shuttle to Macau. So, yun guys. We rented a bus. Mas afford namin mag-rent ng bus kesa sa van. Yung una po natin pupuntahan is Senado Square. Because hindi pa po kami nagla-lunch. 3 days lang kami doon. So, samahan niyo po kami kumain. Ano sa atin yung dalawa doon? Ano ito? Ganda nito. Ganda. Wow. Para tayo nasa Europe. Ay, Pop Mart. Ganda.
Your destination is on the right.
Ay. Ayan o. Sarap. Sa atin o. Can I try? Sobrang busog na ng face. Pawis na pawis na. No.
Ay, wow. Kumari. Bibili.
Itim po. Yay! Another one. Nag-uulan po ng free taste mo. Ay! Huli ka. Talagang wala nang paapaalam. This will be broadcast to ABS-CBN.
Tayo kumain. Maghanap naman tayo ng free taste ng inumin.
Kaya naman tara, kain tayo ng free taste. Look at the people. Tara na. Saan na tayo pupunta, madam? Saan?
Hindi ko alam. Hawyan isa. Hawsaran. Sosina.
1 hectare.
Oh, try it.
这边来跟这边来写呢，
Sarap.
这边来跟这边来写写狙击手心啊，是圆饼啊，里面也有哦，可以
Masarap siya, ma.
买都有折扣，这边来跟这边来写的了吧？多少了？
Ano yan lang?
Paano yung gaganyan? Oo nga, tama ka.
Do the technique. Tingnan ko.
Hindi na po siya pinapakain sa Pinas. Kaya po siya nandito sa Macau. Paris, Paris. Did you ask permission to that? Welcome to Taiwan. We visited 3 places today: Lisbon, Madrid, and Thailand. Ganda.
Ito na, lilipat niya.
Wow. Wow! Ganda oh! Wow! We're here at the Venetian. Makikita po natin ngayon. Ito po ang Londoner. And yun naman po ang Parisian. Where you can see the Eiffel Tower. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Sobra! Legit! Ang ganda oh! Nakaka-amaze! Welcome to my mansion. You should go and visit here in Macau. I love it. I love the idea. Oh, ang ganda talaga.
Kasi escalator din. Dapat meron doon.
Baka ang ganda. na po ng mga paa namin.
Looking for pa.
Looking for paa. So, naghanap lang po kami ng kainan and then we're going back to Hong Kong. Ayun. Ay, wow! Finally, we're here at the food court station. Shut up. So we're here at the Venetian food court. Many people. Ay! 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 Pangit! Ganda nun, no? So, tignan niyo yung daan. Ang ganda. Two bus ride left and then touchdown MK Hotel.
Yes.
So, stay tuned kung saan po tayo madadala ngayong gabi.
This is the second time that we're gonna pay for a bus.
Because everything we ride is free. Because we're freeless. Tsaka. Kaya magpipay lang kami dito po. Can I have one? Just one. So ganda. Palabas na kami ng airport ng Hong Kong. Kasi kailangan na namin mag-bus papuntang hotel para makapagpapahinga na. Looking for 821 bus. 821 bus. Ay, ma'am. Yun!
Parang hindi po.
It's gonna be our room. Hey! Of course, 7-Eleven. Very good. Oh, he's not always chicken. Hey guys, so we are already here. Magpapaalam ka nga, oh. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Lagi, kita yung balo. Tulungan. Karoon pa naman ng angle, no? Kita, hindi kita yung
Let's try. It's not?
Yeah.
So time check, it's already 12 o'clock. That ends our vlog for today. Day 1 is done. Tomorrow is Disneyland. Bye. Mag-unpack lang kami ng things and mag-rest na. Dahil 4 AM pa kami mamaya. Okay, hindi ko naman bubuksan.
Hindi ko kaya sinabit ko. Really?
Bye.